How fast do they go?
Everyone builds different models.
Wait, so you build these?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Do you just feel like there is no air left to breathe? Do you just wanna to be left outside the grid?
Okay, we are rolling up to Indianapolis International Airport. Yeah, we're on our way out to California. We're gonna be flying with the drone dudes. Winston's gonna be joining us for that, so that's gonna be really fun to have him out there helping film everything, get some sweet stills and shots and all that good stuff. Yeah, really excited about the content that we're gonna make while we're out here. All right, this is probably a terrible idea, but I've got at least a couple hours before Winston lands here in LA, and I figured I got that time to kill. I can go eat, I don't even know what. So I figured the most productive thing would be run on the beach. So, yep, this is gonna be miserable because sand is so hard to run in, but it'll be fun. It'll be a good change of scenery. Okay, made it a good mile and a half out. Turn it around. I think I'm gonna walk back. Not necessarily because I'm too tired, but like I'm enjoying it more walking. Hey, we got a little bit of exercise and still enjoying the view, which looks like that. Coming from Indianapolis, where like the most exciting thing you get to look at is soy field. This is way cooler. Okay, so after my run, I got back, grabbed a sweatshirt because it's actually somewhat chilly in the wind out here. It's still gorgeous, still wonderful. The sun feels great. And now I'm kind of doing some prep work on different shots and shot lists that we're going to need for the weekend of shooting here in California. Think through the kinds of shots that we want to get, what are the stories going to be, and use that to kind of drive the day rather than showing up and not really like, oh, let's just point a camera at this, let's try that. This will help get us a little bit more organized. That helps us provide structure for the overall video, and then we can kind of dive in and remember to get all these individual details, and the whole thing just turns out better as a result. So I'm just trying to remember everything that I want to get done over the next couple days with the drone dudes and get it all down so that when we're there in person and all of a sudden we have to get all this stuff accomplished, we're not totally forgetting. So anyway, hope that makes sense. Okay, so Winston and I have made it out to LA, and tomorrow we have a shoot with the drone dudes, So we're just going through a whole tour of the drone dude's spot, and I just got to hit my first touch of playing with the wheel that's controlling this Ronin, that's controlling this Arri Alexa Mini. So, I'm having fun. I'm like a kid in a candy shop. This is great. Anyway, stay focused, get back to work, be a professional. Winston and I are out here in California, and we were kind of given a tip of a place to go fly, working on a review video. Just need to get some drones in the air. So he sent us to this local airfield called Apollo XI. And he said, especially on a Saturday, at any time, there's gonna be other FPV pilots there. So in the year of COVID, you know, it's acceptable to wear a face mask. So I can wear a mask, sunglasses, hat, and I've got a lavalier microphone on, and I'm gonna go see if we can kind of mess with some guys and get them to talk about maybe DRL or something like that, just for fun. I'm fogging up already. What are you guys doing over here? Yeah, what's this? Like, I saw the planes and stuff, but I want to see what you guys are doing.
Field to practice.
Drones?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Do you have drones?
No. This is the first time I've seen anything like this. I thought I'd stop by and check it out. What's going on over here?
There are two options. One is with this box. Now it's covered by tape, but it's like a metal box.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
called
Yeah.
a unit. Everyone builds different models.
Wait, so you build these?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
It's a little bit challenging in the beginning, but then obviously you crash all the time. You know, crash is part of the game, especially if you push the limits.
Like, I think I saw a TV show once.
Yeah, there are a bunch of shows racing.
Oh yeah? Do you mind if I just watch over your shoulder here? How fast do they go?
I don't know, fastest ones I've seen, probably just cruising around 60, 70 miles an hour.
Okay.
Like the 7-inch quads.
Do you guys do like competitions and stuff, like races?
There's a few people that come here that do racing.
Yeah?
I don't, I just play for fun.
I just like to play for fun. That's awesome. Like, I think I had seen it on TV once or twice.
I was gonna say, I noticed your hat out of Torval. They make bags for FPV too.
Oh shoot, that's crazy. Do you guys like post your footage online or anything?
Some of us do.
Do people have like YouTube channels or something that we should go look for like drones and stuff?
There's a lot of people out there. If you want a lot of informational kind of stuff, there's a guy named Joshua Bartwell who literally is a walking encyclopedia of FPV.
That's awesome. He knows everything.
Yeah.
What about like on the racing side, if I wanted to learn more about that?
Racing side, there's a few guys out there. If you search up FPV racing,
Okay.
you'll find a lot of stuff.
Nobody in particular to look for?
I don't really watch racing videos.
Okay.
But there's a lot of good pilots out there that have channels. For freestyle, there's a lot of guys out there. Tons of guys. Mr. Steele is popular.
Mr. Steele, okay.
Oh my god. Well, I mean, he doesn't do a lot of freestyle stuff anymore.
Okay.
Johnny FPV.
Johnny.
FPV. As much as I'm not a fan of them, they do a lot of cool videos. Rotor Riot.
Okay. What's wrong with Rotor Riot?
Rotor Riot over the years has changed a lot. You know, they've changed people in
Yeah.
the show. And the people who used to be there, I used to love watching. And the new people, they're good. It just wasn't what it used to be, and I lost interest in them.
I understood.
They have a lot of good videos too. They're really good pilots.
Who's like the person to look for on Rotor Riot?
Pretty much all the guys that fly on there. Cricket, Ladrib, Vanover, they're all pretty good.
Awesome. Oh, sorry, I'm not bugging you too much, am I? Oh, okay. Good.
Get a cheap radio that you can just use for just plugging in the computer, and
Okay.
that's only really what you use it for.
Right.
It's the let me show you. It's a $40 radio called the Beta FPV Light Radio.
You can Google though, what's like a starting radio to use
Okay.
the simulator, you know?
Okay.
Light radio is a good one because it's $40. So if you don't like it, you can toss it in the corner and never touch it again.
Okay.
Without hurting too much.
I got you.
Go on a website called Pyrodrone.
Like on his hat.
Pyrodrone.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah.
They're local right over here.
Okay.
I actually work for them.
I'm out of town actually, but
you are?
yeah, unfortunately.
Oh, okay.
Where are you from?
Where am I from? Indianapolis,
Oh, okay.
Indiana. Actually, do you guys have a mask off? Okay. I see it like it's half and half, so
Whatever you're comfortable with.
yeah. Outside, it is what it is. Oh. I want to try flying. Looks like fun.
You look like a guy named Nerf.
What?
You look like a guy named Nerf FPV.
Okay. I am nerd. Yeah, I'm Paul.
Oh shit.
I was trying to. So Winston's got a camera there. I'll get permission from you guys, but I thought it would be kind of funny if I it was like.
Recording me playing golf like a
Yeah.
fucking idiot. Don't post that. Can I take a picture?
Yeah, absolutely. No, I hope you're okay with. I thought that would be kind of fun to. It's like having the mask right now is so helpful because I could just
I always think he looks like nerd
over there, but I'm like, lots of people come after those cameras.
Yeah, I told him to like take it down like that so it looked like he was just taking pictures.